Hello, it's Family Driver. Welcome to another video. It's good to be back in M2 after a holiday period and some other bits in my life. I barely drove this car for last 3-4 weeks, so today it's the first time I'm actually going somewhere without any reason. So I'm going to see my mate today who recently purchased M140. He managed to modify his back box, so apparently now it sounds fun. I can't wait to actually hear it. Last time I saw the car a couple of weeks ago, it was bone stock and it sounded rather average. It is pre-OPF model, so fortunately it still makes a sound. However, it was still nothing compared to M2 or even my M140i from the past. So yeah, I'm really interested to hear how much more volume backbox mod actually gives. I managed to capture some of his drive-bys and revving before, so it will be very interesting to see how they compare to the modified exhaust. The weather today is quite capricious, so hopefully it won't spoil our plans. We are planning to go for a quick drive as well, so we'll see how this goes. But my engine is warming up and I'm now in Sport Plus, and I'm really itching to push this car just to get some sound out of it. Right, let's have a cheeky one. Good to be back. Good to be back in this car.
Great success.
So we are going for a short drive before I head home. But that M140 is rapid. You forget how quick they are actually, especially in the auto. I'm not used to automatics, and these days they work so quickly. I'm sure off the line this car is quicker than my M2 purely because of this gear changes. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe as usually, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Good night. Do widzenia.